Hidden behind these walls moves a river of precious metal. 80 tons of 904L stainless steel arriving every week.
Every 90 minutes, another shipment arrives, because a factory that never sleeps consumes without hesitation.
Not stainless steel, Oyster steel. Rolex private formula, smelted exclusively for the crown.
If the alloy is off by 1 decimal point, the entire shipment returns to the foundry. No exceptions, no appeals.
$40 million of precious metal sleeps here tonight, and every gram is spoken for by tomorrow's production.
The AI rejects what the human eye cannot see, because invisible flaws become visible failures inside a Rolex. Rolex doesn't guess about inventory crazed. They calculate arrival and exhaustion to the hour, 3 months in advance. The raw material enters the darkness of the production tunnel, and what emerges will be unrecognizable. Phase 1 complete.
2,500 tons of pressure, enough to lift a passenger jet, and this steel barely remembers what it was before.
201 parts inside every Rolex movement tube, each one placed by machines that never blink, never tire, never misjudge by a micron.
1,050 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, then a sudden oil bath that shocks the metal into a new state of being.
After 2 tons of steel, 4 to 5 minutes of heat, and 63 cutting operations driven, the Oyster case finally reveals itself.
1 line is a factory. 4 lines are a statement melon. 4,000 cases every day, each one indistinguishable from the last.
2.5 lines every second. 9,000, every day.
47 dimensions measured in 1.2 seconds, 1/100th of a millimeter tolerance, and the machine finds nothing wrong.
The rough cases race toward the refinement zone, where raw machining ends and Rolex finishing begins. Phase 2 complete.
6 wheels, 3 grades of abrasive, 1 diamond polish, and the steel that entered looking industrial emerges looking like jewelry.
This is not merely polished steel. This is Rolex silver. 70 hours of refinement to achieve areas that will never be seen without a loupe, surfaces that will spend their lives hidden beneath a bracelet. Rolex polishes them all to the same impossible standard.
1,200 degrees in a vacuum blender, then a sudden nitrogen blast that shock hardens the surface to 3 times the hardness of standard steel.
The black ceramic bezel locks into the silver case, 2 colors that define 100 years of Rolex identity, now at maximum vibrancy. The machine that could crush steel touches the polished case like a surgeon touching an eyeball tooth, because 1 scratch means starting over from nothing. On the left, steel as it arrives from the foundry. On the right, the same steel after 3 hours and 137 operations. The difference is Rolex.
600 refined cases have crossed this frame in 8 seconds, each one indistinguishable from the next, each one perfect. Phase 3 complete. 24 cameras, 1,000 frames per second, 10 million reference images. The machine sees what the human eye cannot, and it never blinks.
40 millimeters diameter, 12.5 height, 20 millimeter lug spacing, tolerance of 1 micron, 1,000th of a millimeter. This is not manufacturing, this is measurement as obsession.
True black does not fade, does not shift, does not apologize. The spectrometer ensures every bezel meets Rolex black. 300 meters of water pressure against this case, and not 1 molecule of water enters. The seal is perfect because the case is perfect.
X-ray vision reveals what the surface hides, and inside this Rolex case, there is nothing but Rolex steel.
A scratch 1/3 the width of a human hair, invisible without magnification, invisible to any customer who will ever wear this.
4,872 units inspected today. 3 rejected for invisible scratches. The dashboard does not celebrate. The dashboard demands more.
43,000 perfect cases per hour. Each one inspected by 24 cameras. Each one measured to 1 micron. 8 buffer lanes. 200 cases per minute input. 200 cases per minute output. The buffer absorbs the unexpected, so packaging never sees a gap. Before a single Rolex enters packaging, the box arrives. The cushion arrives.
48 cases, 2.4 kilograms, 0.1 gram tolerance. The watch does not guess, and neither does the machine that counts them.
The green must be exactly Pantone 3435C. The gold must reflect exactly 85% of
A layer of film thinner than a human hair, strong enough to prevent scratches, invisible enough to forget it exists.
All lines synchronized. 4 independent lines, 1 synchronized heartbeat, 50 cases per minute.
The packaging line stands ready. Every machine tested, every sensor calibrated, every robot waiting.
The cases cross the threshold from staging to packaging, and nothing will ever be the same. The watch is about to be...
The green box takes shape, the crown logo embossed on every surface, the velvet cushion waiting inside. The watch has not arrived.
The silver and black Rolex settles into green velvet, the crown logo watching from below, the spotlights finding every polished surface.
The clear seal locks the watch inside its own atmosphere. No dust, no moisture, no compromise.
Position, clarity, color. The AI checks every crown logo on every box, 1,000 boxes per hour, 7,000 per shift, every logo perfect. Phase 6 brand lock is absolute.
48 inner boxes, 48 Rolex watches, 1 outer carton bearing the crown logo on every face. The stack builds perfectly because every box is identical.
The tape seals the carton. The label identifies the contents. The barcode connects this carton to a specific customer.
Green and gold as far as the eye can see, thousands of boxes, thousands of crown logos, thousands of Rolex watches moving.
This is why the factory never sleeps. This is why the machines demand perfection. This is the Rolex Submariner, silver and black.
1 robotic arm, 48 cartons, 48 cartons, 1,100 Rolex watches.
8 layers of stretch wrap on 200% tension foam, cross-hatched for strength. This pallet will travel 3 continents before a human touches it again.
4 labels, 4 barcodes, 1,152 Rolex watches. Every pallet announces its destination. 50 AGVs, 50 pallets, 50,000 Rolex watches moving simultaneously across this floor.
30 meters high, 40,000 pallet positions, over 36 million Rolex watches at full capacity.
Dispatch queue increasing. Suggest overtime on palletizing line 3.
37 million units in stock.
24 specific watches, 24 specific cartons, 1 order for Dubai. The AI finds them, picks
48 pallets per truck, 12 minutes per truck, 24 hours per day. The Rolex watches leave this factory in an endless convoy. No Rolex watches in this scene, because a factory that produces perfection must first become perfectly clean.
4 conveyors, 4 cleaning robots, 1,000 RPM brushes. The lines that carried 48
UVC tubes, 1,920 watts of sterilizing light. The robots inspect the robots, thermal, vibration, ultrasound. They predict failure before failure knows it wants to happen.
The instrument that measures 1 micron must itself be measured against certified standards.
The AI reports. The humans confirm. The factory waits for the final signature.
Rolex Factory 1. All
particle counts.
Super swabs.
Restart moves, the conveyor moves, the steel arrives. The machines remember what they were built in.
50,000 solar panels, 3 wind turbines, 10.3 megawatts of clean power.
Every steel shaving, every cardboard scrap, every piece of plastic film, nothing goes to landfill. 94% recycled.
92% of every liter of water used in this factory is cleaned and reused. The remaining 8%.
Line 4 vibration trending positive. New auction required.
14.2 kilograms of carbon per Rolex watch. Target, 8.5 by 2025.
Behind closed doors, the next generation of Rolex takes shape. New materials, new movements, new possibilities.
A perfect digital copy of the factory. Every conveyor, every robot, every watch, running in parallel with the real world.
The first case of the next generation emerges from the machine that has made millions of its predecessors. New geometry.
This is why.
$48,000 watches today,
48,000 tomorrow.
The factory never sleeps because the world never stops wanting what is made here. On the left, raw steel as it arrives. On the right,
The same steel, transformed over 5.5 hours.
From Geneva to Tokyo, from Zurich to Dubai, from Basel to New York.
After 5.5 hours of manufacturing, 3 days of shipping, and 5,000 miles of travel solely.
This is the moment. Not the manufacturing, not the packaging, not the shipping. This, a wrist, a watch, a life. This is why the factory never sleeps.
It is 2:47 in the morning in Switzerland. The world sleeps. This factory does not.
This factory has secrets, more than we could show in 80 scenes. Subscribe to discover them. The crown awaits.